हेलो स्टूडेंट। आज हम बात करते हैं कार्डिक पॉइजन की। कार्डिक पॉइजन के नंबर 1 नेकोनाइट हमने कल पढ़ा था। आज हम निकोटीन टोबैको पॉइजनिंग पढ़ते हैं। टोबैको एक्चुअली नॉट पॉइजनिंग, इट इज इंटॉक्सिकेट। तो सबसे पहले टोबैको है क्या? दिस इज ऑल्सो कार्डियक पॉइजन। This is very important cardiac poison. Tobacco obtained from Nicotiana tabacum. कहाँ से मिलता है? Tobacco obtained from Nicotiana tabacum. In routine, we have seen so many people used to take tobacco in daily routine. They are addicted by this tobacco. हम जिसको यूज करते हैं तम्बाकू का सेवन, तो इन रूरल एरिया स्पेशली people use tobacco in pan, bidi, and in urban area people used to take tobacco in the form of smoking. So tobacco obtained from Nicotiana tabacum, and second इसका जो है लोबेलिया इन्फ्लेटा। नंबर 1 Lobelia inflata. This is the Indian tobacco. This plant is Indian plant. We can say Indian tobacco. गली मोहल्ले में हर जगह हर कॉर्नर पे आपको लोग टोबैको खाते हुए मिल जाएंगे. They are addicted by this tobacco. So we can say that this is not poisoning, this is addiction of the tobacco. And tobacco is a cardiac poison. It will directly affect our heart function, cardiac function. What is the difference between nicotine and tobacco? Nicotine and lobelia. This is two type of tobacco. Now let us talk about active principle in each and every poison. We have to know about that active principle, and active principle is responsible for poisoning. So what are the active principle of tobacco? There are two types of active principle. Nicotine, number 1. Number 2, lobeline. These are the active principle, and this active principle is responsible for this poison. So many plants, so many leaves, roots, they have alkaloids. Also, these alkaloids also, so this is also alkaloids, and these are responsible for this poisoning. नाउ हम बात करते हैं कि इन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है, निकोटीन एंड लोबेलिन. Lobeline is less powerful. This nicotine is more powerful. It is more powerful, more dangerous. ये less powerful. एवरेज सिगरेट कंटेन 10 to 20 मिलीग्राम ऑफ निकोटिन। ये निकोटिन सिगरेट में होती है, सिगरेट स्मोकिंग। सिगरेट में निकोटिन कितना होता है? 10 to 20 मिलीग्राम ऑफ निकोटिन। अब हम बात करते हैं कि निकोटिन की क्या प्रॉपर्टीज है। What are the properties of the nicotine? Number 1, colorless. Number 2, bitter. So what are the properties of nicotine? Colorless and bitter. अब नाउ हम बात करेंगे मोड ऑफ एक्शन। एज यूजुअल वी हैव टू नो कि what are the mode of actions of each and every poison. So here we have to know about also tobacco poisoning mode of action. क्या मोड ऑफ एक्शन? निकोटीन और लोबेलिन किस तरह से काम करती? दिस निकोटीन फर्स्टली stimulate, then depress. Firstly stimulate and then depress. किसको डिप्रेस करता है? ऑटोनोमस ganglia. Autonomous ganglia. Firstly stimulate, then depress. इसको नर्वस सिस्टम, जो कि सारी मैकेनिज्म और फंक्शंस के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है। अब हम बात करते हैं, नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट यूजेस ऑफ टोबैको। व्हाट आर द यूजेस? क्या करता है टोबैको? क्या यूज है? तो फर्स्टली इन रूरल एरिया आपने देखा होगा कि कई लोग एक छोटी सी डब्बी में, छोटी सी स्क्वायर टाइप से कोई ऐसी डब्बी होती है, उसमें टोबैको रखा रहता है। दिस स्नफल्स, दे यूज टोबैको फॉर क्रोनिक कटार। दे हैव कंटिन्यूसली सिंस अ लॉन्ग टाइम 12 महीने कटार, मतलब nasal discharges, thick nasal discharges. People suffer from the chronic nasal catarrh, thick nasal discharge, yellowish discharges, depend on the individuality. So they use these snuffles, they apply they snuff the tobacco और वो उसको करते हैं, then take breathing easily, और वो अपने पास हमेशा रखते हैं, बट दे यूज टोबैको एज एंटीपैथी। तो ये हम बात कर रहे हैं कि रेस्पिरेटरी एंड सीएनएस स्टिमुलेंट। नंबर 2, यूजेस की हम बात कर रहे थे. क्विक रेमेडी फॉर रिंगवर्म. This ringworm is skin disease. कई सारे बोपा और ये जो रोड साइडर्स क्वैक प्रिस्क्राइबर्स होते हैं, दे प्रिस्क्राइब द टोबैको एज for ringworm as quack remedy. They only palliate, they only suppress the symptoms. In homeopathy can cure the thing, and all the antipathies they only suppress and palliate. If you are choose wrong individuality, and on the basis of wrong individuality and wrong medication, wrong homeopathic medication, it also the suppress, it act as antipathy. Understood? So we have to know कि what are the uses of the tobacco. Respiratory stimulator है, quack remedy previously. Now people are literate and educated about, they have the knowledge about the side effects of the tobacco. But I don't know why people addicted. As physician, we have to educate about the side effect and complications of the tobacco, which they are used to in their daily routine, chewing tobacco in the smoking form, in the with the canny, so many types of exposure. नाउ हम बात करते हैं कि टोबैको पॉइजनिंग के सिम्टम्स क्या क्या है. व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स ऑफ द टोबैको पॉइजनिंग. नंबर 1, increase salivation. As I always told you, your body has very good defensive mechanisms. So what are the symptoms develop? Very simple: nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. Our body has very good defensive mechanism. The nature and God give us as gift. We can defend itself at the first level through vomiting, diarrhea, fever. So these are the defensive symptoms in our body. If there is no general weakness, there is no fatigue, patient never tired, we can see these symptoms as a defense. Second, third, hypotension, low BP, low blood pressure, because sodium level is down and patient get cardiac heart has very low blood supply and heart put effort, so developed hypotension, insomnia and vertigo. Insomnia, vertigo, headache, मैंने अभी आपको I told you about chronic catarrh or chronic bronchitis. Now, two most important symptoms are here: lung cancer, and heart disease. So it is clear right now. You understood all the symptomatology of the tobacco poisoning. We have understood about the active principle, properties, mode of action, uses, and symptoms of the tobacco poisoning. Now, important part is the treatment part of this. What are the main treatment of the? So number one, decontamination. Number two, कार्डियक मॉनिटरिंग. ऑब्वियसली जब कार्डियक पॉइजन है तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? कार्डियक मॉनिटरिंग. हम उसकी पल्स चेक करेंगे, बीपी देखेंगे, ईसीजी करेंगे, इको करवाएंगे, पीछे में सो मैनी थिंग्स की एरिथमिया तो नहीं है, फ्लक्चुएट तो नहीं हो रहा, हाइपरटेंशन, ये सारी चीज़ें. नंबर थ्री, एट्रोपिन, प्रिस्क्राइब एट्रोपिन एंड डायज़ेपाम. तो ये सारे ट्रीटमेंट पार्ट समझ पाए. डिकंटेमिनेशन, कार्डियक मॉनिटरिंग, मैंने आपको सारे इसमें बताए. एट्रोपिन एंड डायज़ेपाम. ग्रेजुअली स्टॉपेज ऑफ यूज ऑफ द tobacco. How we have to some important part as a physician. Counseling, moral support. Why patients start to take these things. Why they are on depend on this tobacco. Why they hug to tobacco. What are the main reason? Either he is in anxiety, either he is in apprehension, either he is in any failure in the life. So what are the we have to find out the what are the life space and what are the conflicts he had in this life history. We have to know. On the basis of this we collect the symptoms and then analyzed and then repertorize and then choose the medicine and select the potency on according their pathology. What are the patient suffer, presently patient fail. So this was the important part. Gradually patient को counseling दें, gradually stop to take tobacco. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़. नाउ फेटल डोज की बात करते हैं. फेटल डोज. फेटल डोज 60 milligram of nicotine. These are very important thing. Now most important postmortem appearance. We know already cardiac symptoms develop. Number one, odor of tobacco, right? Odor of tobacco in mouth. क्या प्रेजेंस मिलेगी? Odor of number two, congestion of gastrointestinal tract. Congestion of GI. So this was the postmortem appearance and medico-legal importance. Medico-legal importance. Number one, addiction, right? Patient used to take in rural areas. So many people are every second, third people are they are using tobacco and they enjoy. They can't live without this. Even they are totally dependent on this. So addiction, right? Second, accidental. If death is not possible, death and suicidal and homicidal is rare. Accidental will come. Okay. So this was the tobacco main cardiac poison. You have to understood about the what are the properties of the tobacco. Two types of their families. One is the Indian family, Lobelia inflata. Tobacco, nicotine and lobeline is main important active principle. They are firstly stimulated, then is depress the autonomous ganglion, and then develop profuse salivation, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, vertigo, insomnia, headache, all the addictions, chronic bronchitis, heart diseases, lung cancer, cancer also, and then treatment, decontamination, cardiac monitoring as per patient symptomatology, what are the patient fail as per severity of the symptoms, and stoppage of the patient mm, to take the tobacco. We have to educate, we have to give moral support, we have to take their case taking and give the counseling. Fatal dose 60 milligram nicotine, postmortem appearance, congestion, and then order of tobacco, medical legal importance, accidental, even and most common thing is addiction of the tobacco. This is the very important. So we have to try to eradicate um, tobacco chewing in common people and educate them how much it dangerous. Even in youngsters, if they are taking in the form of pouch and so many manner through smoking or chewing tobacco, we educate them how much it dangerous, how much it has so much complications, how much deteriorate their health, they produce ill health. In it directly affect their stamina. If they are taking in youth, young age, they become they become tired very early. So they have to stop these. So as a physician, we have also prescribed homeopathic medicine on according their individuality. I can prefer case one medicine or two medicine. We individualize, we take case, and we have to rule out the conflict on the basis of this what the feeling patient has. Uh, the case after case taking, we analyze, we make the rubrics, we analyze, we repertorize, and choose the medicine and potency, and then prescribe the patient and help him to cure. Good day.